Jai Hind, 25th May 2025, Day 1, SSR Navy, first shift questions. Questions are very easy questions, expected questions. All the questions are from prescribed books and our study materials only. So, GK and general science question. Capital of New Zealand, land of rising sun in India. K2 comes under which mountain range? First battle of Panipat fought between who claimed 100-meter and 200-meter gold medal Olympic 2016? What is the unit of Planck's constant? Unit of electric potential. Numerical questions on work done. Milk do not contain which of the following vitamins? China's national bird. Then mathematics questions. Find the number of diagonal of a polygon with 35 diagonals. Find the number of sides of a polygon. Find the number of sides of a polygon with 35 diagonals. Log x is equal to 3, log y is equal to 2. Then value of log xy. Distance between 2 points P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 is given. You have to find out the distance. 3 points of the parallelogram is given. You have to calculate the coordinate of the fourth point. Arithmetic mean. Questions on arithmetic mean is there. Arithmetic mean of 2 and 6. Value of sine 105 degree plus cos 105 degree. Then questions on set theory is there. A intersection B type question. Double derivative questions in there. Questions on probability is there. Easy questions on determinant. Determinant of A is equal to 0. One value x is absent. You have to calculate that value. Questions on parabola is there. Questions on quadratic equations is there. Questions on circle, equation of the circle is given. You have to calculate the diameter of the circle. And basic questions on vector is there. English, all easy questions. As expected, synonyms, antonyms are there. And some easy grammar questions are there. Spotting the error questions are there. Thank you very much.